Okay, now today we are going to try to check whether my baking powder is still okay. I've bought a new one and I've got the old one, and the old one I'm having problem with my baking. So I thought maybe it's the way I made my cakes, but I think it's the raising agent. But this old baking powder is only about a month or so old, so I'm quite a bit intrigued why my cakes are not, raising as it should. So here it is. I've put half a cup of hot tap water and a 1/4 teaspoon of the baking powder. So let's try. So you see the one on the left, which is the new, has already sort of fizzled out and finished fizzling, whereas the one in the old one, it's still on there and slowly it's working, so it's not really that good. And also, if you can see, there are some bits there that's not dissolved, so it's very, very slow. So I think this baking powder is old, and I'm glad I just changed it. I bought a new one, so okay, now I know what to do. Alright, now I'm going to test the next one, which is on my bicarbonate of soda. So I just want to know which one is working so that I can know what to throw away and I don't waste. So the next experiment, which is coming on after this, will be on the bicarbonate of soda.